even when the efforts don't succeed. You know, as when we were going through school, when we didn't do well on a test, we were it was looked upon as you done something wrong instead of looked upon of, okay, you have an opportunity to correct what, now you know where you're weak at, let's go and correct that. When I failed the PMP the very first time, I was so frustrated and I had to change my mindset. Okay, what am I not picking up here? Where are my weaknesses? And PMI, you know, they were like, hey, this is what you done well at, and this is basically where you didn't do well at, by saying, okay, you know, below target, above target, and things of that nature. So being able to literally train managers to lead with empathy and understanding during these experimenting phases. Because listen, this is what I love what Steve said. We're in a era right now where things are moving faster than our minds are actually moving, with AI and just basically technology in general. Because of that,